It's 2 o'clock, your phone buzzes. A new lead with cracked foundation, wants an estimate. Sounds like real work. But the problem is, you are under a house. So the call that happens at 2:20. 20 minutes. Honestly, that's fast for a man in a crawl space. The lady on the other side picks up and goes, "Oh, thanks, but someone is already coming out tomorrow." Here is what actually happened there. You paid for that lead, so did 4 other guys. And one of them was sitting at a desk when it just landed. "Hey, my name is Manzul. My agency specializes in tubal ads for foundation and waterproofing contractor. We've set up over 1,400 campaigns for local service businesses." In the next 4 minutes, I will show you how shared leads really work, the napkin math the platform hope you never do, and one question that makes any lead bundle wiggle. Let's go. Okay, here is how the race works. That homeowner filled out one form, not on your website, on platform's landing page. And that platform business model is dead simple. Sell one form to as many companies as possible. 3, 4, 5 buyers. Same homeowner, resold. They make more selling her 5 times than selling her once. So guess what happens? Every single time. So now it's a race, and the race is rigged against the guy who actually does the work. The franchisee got somebody whose entire job is to grabbing that phone call in 30 seconds. You are with a flashlight in your teeth, beam over your head. By the time you crawl out, she is booked. Fair or not, that's how it works. A shared lead is a race you enter mid-job. Alright, the math the platforms hope you never do. Shared lead platforms commonly charge somewhere between $80 and $150 a lead for foundation work. And look, and next to a structural job, that sounds cheap. Wrong number. The only number that matters is what a signed job cost you. So let's build it. Example number. Swap in your own. Napkin math line by line. Say a shared lead run $100. You buy 10 leads. That's $1,000. But those spin got sold to 3 or 4 other companies as well. And you are calling back from a job site. So realistically, you reach 6. You code 3. 1 signed job. $1,000 for 1 signed job. Plus every hour you burn chasing the 9 that went nowhere. Now flip to the exclusive side. Say a lead from your own ad costs $200. Double, right? Scary. 6 lead, $1,200. But there is no race. Your name, they ask for it. You close 1 in 3. There's 2 jobs. 600 part-time job. And there it is. The expensive lead was the cheap one, which brings us to that word exclusive, what it actually means. Some platform will sell you an exclusive tier, same from, higher price, and a promise. But exclusive isn't a promise. It's a structure. Let me show you. Now flip it. When the ad is yours, the website landing page is yours, and the number rings your business. There is no pool to enter. She found you. She called you. Nobody else even knows she exists. That's the whole definition. Your name, your page, your phone. And once that's true, nobody can fail your leads because there were never anyone else to sell. Quick recap. Screenshot this one. 1. A shared lead is a race, and you're entering it from under a house. 2. Judge every lead source on cost per signed job, never cost per lead. 3. Exclusive is structural. your name on your ad, your website or landing page, your phone. And before you buy another batch of lead, ask the vendor one question: how many companies get this lead? Then count the seconds before the answer. If you want to see what this looks like in your market, who is really behind the ad, what clicks actually cost, where the homeowners are going, the audit is at WebnWell.com. I record a video just like this one about your business, your market, your competitors, your numbers. And whether we ever work together or not, that video is yours. One more thing, I only take one foundation contractor per service area. So if your market is open, it's open until somebody takes it. See you in the next one.